In this video, we are going to show you how to set up organization level ticket sharing in Zendesk. Now, once you've logged into your Zendesk account and you are in your dashboard, look towards your left-hand side and click on organizations over here, right? So once you're here, choose the organization that you want to set this up. So we only have one, so click on this one. Now, here on this option tab over here, on the left hand side of this specific organization, there is something called users. And by default, if you click on it, there's a drop down between two items. By default, it's going to be on can view own tickets only. Now, if you want to set up organization level ticket sharing, you want to click on can view all org tickets. There you go. So after that, you can actually also click a new option here, but not add comments, and add comments depending on how much freedom you want. But for the most part, people would go for and add comments so they can actually do more stuff with the tickets org wide, right? So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.